Pollination? What does that even mean? Everyone keeps telling me how important I am, but I feel like I'm just a tiny bee in a huge world.
Feeling overwhelmed, my little pollinator?
Mom, I don't understand. Why am I so special? Why do all the bees keep saying I'm like a superhero of nature?
Let me tell you a story about the most important job in the entire world, the job of a bee. Every time you fly from flower to flower, you're doing something miraculous. You're not just collecting nectar, you're keeping the entire planet alive.
Me? Keep the whole planet alive? That sounds like a pretty big job for such a tiny bee.
Listen carefully. Pollination is like a secret dance of life. When you visit a flower, you carry tiny pollen grains from one plant to another. It's like you're helping plants make babies.
Plant babies? That sounds weird.
Not just weird, wonderful. Without bees like you, most plants couldn't reproduce. No fruits, no vegetables, no flowers, nothing.
Wait, what? If I don't do my job, the world would look like a boring coloring book?
Exactly. Let me break it down for you. About 75% of global crops depend on animal pollination. Bees pollinate approximately 130 different types of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. We're responsible for helping produce 1/3 of the food humans eat.
1/3, that's huge.
Imagine a world without almonds, cherries, blueberries, cucumbers, coffee, chocolate, pizza toppings.
No pizza toppings?
Now you understand, but it's more than just human food. We help maintain entire ecosystems. Wild plants that animals eat, we pollinate those too.
So I'm not just a bee, I'm a world saver?
You're learning, but it's not easy work. Each day you'll visit between 50 to 100 flowers. That's thousands of flowers in your lifetime.
That sounds exhausting.
It's a tough job, but someone has to do it, and that someone is you. Watch carefully, approach the flower gently. Collect nectar for our hive, but make sure you're spreading pollen too. It's like a special dance. Move carefully, collect thoughtfully.
Gentle approach. Collect nectar, spread pollen. Got it.
Fun bee facts. A single bee colony can pollinate 300 million flowers each day. Bees communicate through dance, telling each other where the best flowers are. A bee will only make 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its entire lifetime.
Pretty cool, right? We might be small, but we're mighty.
But it's not all fun and flowers, Billy. We face big challenges: pesticides, climate change, habitat loss. These things make our job harder.
Can we stop those things?
Humans can help by planting bee-friendly flowers, avoiding harmful pesticides, protecting wild spaces, supporting local beekeepers.
Save the bees, save the world.
See? You're not just a bee, you're a tiny, incredible miracle worker.
Next time you see a bee, remember, we're not just buzzing around. We're saving the world one flower at a time.